Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Crypto Parrot. To begin, you'll first need to create an account on their website. Simply navigate to the Sign Up page and follow the prompts to enter your email and choose a secure password. Once registered, you can log in and start exploring the dashboard, which is your central hub for all learning activities and progress tracking. It's a straightforward process to get you started quickly. Crypto Parrot makes learning fun by integrating a reward system. As you complete lessons, which cover everything from basic blockchain to advanced trading strategies, you'll encounter quizzes. Answering these questions correctly not only solidifies your knowledge, but also earns you points or tokens. These rewards can often be redeemed for various benefits, making your learning journey both educational and financially engaging. Keep an eye on your progress bar. Navigating Crypto Parrot is intuitive and user-friendly. You'll find lessons neatly categorized, allowing you to choose topics that match your current understanding, from beginner to advanced. Your profile section is where you can track all your earned rewards and achievements. Don't hesitate to use the main menu to explore different sections like the community forum or news updates. If you're looking for something specific, the search bar is a powerful tool to quickly locate content. To truly maximize your Crypto Parrot experience, consider engaging with daily challenges. They often offer bonus rewards and introduce new concepts. Regularly revisiting lessons you've already completed can help reinforce your knowledge and ensure long-term retention. Don't forget to connect with the vibrant Crypto Parrot community. Sharing insights and asking questions can greatly enhance your learning. Staying updated on new content ensures you never miss out on fresh educational opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.